When the patient is being fit and the toe rise is being placed, toes are elevated. The toe rise is slid back into the proper location so that the elevation is just at the sulcus of the toes. Downward pressure is applied to the dorsum of the foot to simulate some minimal weight bearing. I often will mark where the toe placement is located in relationship to the plastic with the hash marks in order to get the correct orientation once the brace is removed from the patient. Here we are showing the correct orientation of the toe rise. The two hash marks are lined up, and we go ahead and then bond that in place. So here the toe rise needed to be trimmed. It was extending beyond the edge of the plastic. I went ahead and donned the brace back onto the patient, marked where an appropriate point was for growth. This patient is weight bearing at this point. This will give her 1/4 of an inch to about 3/8 of an inch of total growth. I took the brace back into the lab because there was so much that needed to be trimmed. I did my initial trimming with a pair of EMT scissors. So I do my final grinding and buffing with a drum sander, and then I use the Troutman router to do my buffing of the edges, to smooth the edges. The final fit of the brace should allow for an appropriate amount of growth. As I said, usually anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch would be an appropriate amount of growth for the child to be able to wear the brace for a length of a year.